Hey there, want to keep your Word document safe from praying eyes? Let's walk through how to add a password to a Word document on Windows. It's quick and easy, so follow along. First, open Microsoft Word and load up the document you want to protect. Once it opens, head to the top left corner and click the File tab. From there, look for Protect Documents and select Encrypt with Password. A dialog box will pop up asking you to enter a password. Type in a strong one, aim for a mix of letters, numbers and symbols, and keep it under 15 characters. Hit OK, then re-enter the password to confirm it. Now, just save your document. You can either click Save or Save As to lock in the password protection. To check it work, close the document and reopen it. You should see a prompt asking for the password, which means this document cannot be opened without password. Alright, that's how you lock down your Word document with a password. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips to keep your digital life secure. Drop a comment below if you have any question or want to share your own tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.